Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it.
Objectives. Derives the laws of exponent, multiplies and divides polynomials. Laws of exponents. For the laws of exponents, simplify by writing in exponential form. Number 1. If we use a parenthesis, it means we are multiplying. So this is 5 times 5. We need to write this one in exponential form, and that is equal to 5 squared. We are in number 2. 4b times 4b times 4b times 4b times 4b. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the quantity of 4b raised to the big power. For problem number 3, we have negative 2 times 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 negative 2. How many negative 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the quantity of negative 2 raised to the 6th power. Next, we have number 4. That is 7xy times 7xy times 7xy. How many 7xy? We have 3. That is the quantity of 7xy raised to the 3rd power or cube. Write the following in expanded form. The quantity of 8x raised to the 4th power means we need to write 8x 4 times. That is 8x times 8x times 8x times 8x. Next, the quantity of 4cd squared quantity cube. We need to write 4cd squared 3 times. So 4cd squared times 4cd squared times 4cd squared. Next, we are in the 3rd number. The quantity of 10ab raised to the 5th. We need to write it 5 times. And the last number, the quantity of 9c cubed d quantity squared, we need to write it twice. Laws of exponent. A raised to the n times a raised to the m equals a raised to the m plus n. So we just copy the base and add the exponent n plus n. We are in the 1st number. B times b. B has an exponent of 1. Just copy b, add the exponent 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so the answer is b squared. We are in problem number 2. X times x raised to the 9. X has an exponent of 1, so that is x raised to 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is 10, that is x raised to the 10th power. We are in problem number 3. 4 times 4 cubed. 4 has an exponent of 1. That is 4 raised to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. We need to multiply 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Times 4 is 64. Times 4 is 256. Following problem. The quantity of 5x times negative 10y. 5 times negative 10 is negative 50. X times y is xy. So we have negative 50xy. Number 2, 10x times 3y. 10 times 3 is 30. X times y is xy. We have 30xy. Negative 11 times 2 is negative 22. X times x is x squared. Y times y squared is y cubed. Negative 22x squared y cubed. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. X times x times x cubed is x raised to the 5th. Y times y times y is y cubed. Negative 24. X raised to the 5th y cubed. We have laws of exponent. A raised to the n raised to the n equals a raised to the n. So we have y squared raised to the 10 2 times 10, that is 20. We need only to multiply the exponent. Next, x squared raised to 11, that is 2 times 11, that is 22. That is 3 squared raised to the 4th, that is 2 times 4 is 8, that is 3 raised to the 8. And 3 raised to the 8 is 6,561. 2 cubed, quantity cubed, 3 times 3 is 9, that is 2 raised to the 9. And 2 raised to the 9 is 512. Another rule, the quantity of a b raised to the n equals a raised to the n b raised to the n. Because a is an exponent of 1, 1 times n is n. B is an exponent of 1, 1 times n is n. So we are in the first number. xy quantity squared, x an exponent of 1 and y is also an exponent of 1. So it will become x squared, y squared. So 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. That is x cubed, y raised to 6 power. 5 raised to the 4th, w raised to the 4th. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, that is 625. W raised to the 4th power. 2 raised to the 5th is 32. 32, x raised to the 5th, y raised to the 15th power. X raised to the n divided by x raised to the n equals x raised to n minus n if n is greater than n. It means that we need only to subtract the exponent, 11 minus 2, that is x raised to 11 minus 2, and 11 minus 2 is 9. That is x raised to the 9 power. We need to divide 24 divided by negative 3. 24 divided by negative 3 is negative 8. We can cancel x. Then 8 minus 1 is 7. So we have negative 8 y raised to the 7th power. Next, we have negative 45 divided by negative 9 is positive 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 5. X raised to the 6, y. We have another rule. X raised to the m divided by x raised to the m equals 1 if m equals n. We are in the next number. X raised to the 7 over x raised to the 7. That is x raised to 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. And any number raised to 0 is equal to 1 except 0. So we are in problem number 2. 10x raised to the 4th divided by 10x raised to the 4th. The answer is still 1. We have x raised to the n divided by x raised to the m equals 1 over x raised to m minus n if m is greater than n. So our first problem is x raised to the 7 divided by x raised to 10. It will become 1 over x raised to 10 minus 7. And 10 minus 7 is 3. That is 1 over x cubed. We are in the next number. xy divided by x raised to the 5, y raised to the 5. It will become 1 over x raised to 5 minus 1. Y raised to 5 minus 1. It will become 1 over x raised to the 4th power, y raised to the 4th power. Or in multiplication of polynomials. The quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 3. First we multiply x by x plus 3. Then we multiply 2 by x plus 3. Then we use distributive property. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 3 is 6. So we can combine 3x plus 2x. Just bring down x squared. Then add 3 plus 2, that is 5x. Then bring down 6. So our answer for the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 3 is x squared plus 5x plus 6. We can make use of tiles in multiplying polynomials. So we have the given x plus 2 to be multiplied by x plus 3. This is x, this is 2. This is x, this is 3. So the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 3. The area of this one is x squared. This is x, 1x, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5x. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 3 equals x squared plus 5x plus 6. Find the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 3. So we have our given. First we multiply 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Then 3 times x is 3x. 2 times x is 2x. And x times x is x squared. Then we will add, bring down x squared. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Then bring down 6. So x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals x squared plus 5x plus 6. Another solution. So we have the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 3. So first we multiply x times x, that is x squared. 2 times x, that is 2x. 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times 2, that is 6. Then we will add, bring down x squared. 2x plus 3x is 5x. And we need to bring down 6. So the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 3 equals x squared plus 5x plus 6. Multiply the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 8. So we will be using distributive property. We'll be multiplying x by the quantity of x minus 8 plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 8. X times x is x squared. X times negative 8 is negative 8x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. So we'll bring down x squared. Negative 8 plus positive 2 is negative 6x. So bring down negative 16. So we have the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 8 equals x squared minus 6x minus 16. Another solution in finding the product of the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 8. So we have our given. We need to multiply negative 8 times 2. Negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. Then negative 8 times x is negative 8x. 2 times x is positive 2x. And x times x equals x squared. Then we'll bring down x squared. Negative 8x plus positive 2x is negative 6x. Then bring down negative 16. So, what is the product of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 8? The answer is x squared minus 6x minus 16. In finding the product of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 8. First, we will multiply x times x. X times x is x squared. 2 times x is 2x. Negative 8 times x is negative 8x. Negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. Then, bring down x squared. Positive 2x plus negative 8x is negative 6x. Then bring down negative 16. Now we will multiply 3x plus 2 times the quantity of 4x squared plus 7x minus 5. We have our given. 3x times 4x squared equals 12x cubed. 3x times 7x is 21x squared. 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. 2 times 4x squared equals 8x squared. 2 times 7x is 14x. And 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Then we will add, bring down 12x cubed. 21 plus 8 is 29. Copy the literal coefficient. Negative 15x plus positive 14x is negative x. And bring down negative 10. Polynomial by a polynomial. The given is 12x cubed plus 6x squared minus 15x divided by 3x. So we have 12x cubed divided by 3x plus 6x squared divided by 3x minus 15x divided by 3x. 12x cubed divided by 3x equals 4x squared. 6x squared divided by 3x equals 2x. And negative 15x divided by 3x equals negative 5. So the answer is 4x squared plus 2x minus 5. Number 2. 15x cubed y raised to the 7 minus 20x raised to the 4th y cubed minus 25x squared y squared divided by 5xy. So we have 15x cubed y raised to the 7 divided by 5xy. Negative 20x raised to the 4th y cubed divided by 5xy. And negative 25x squared y squared divided by 5xy. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Then subtract the exponent x squared y 6. Then negative 20 divided by 5 is negative 4. Subtract the exponent x cubed y squared. Then we have negative 25 divided by 5 is negative 5. Subtract the exponent xy. So the final answer is 3x squared y 6 minus 4x cubed y squared minus 5xy. Polynomial by another polynomial. Step still dividing a polynomial. Number 1. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Number 2. Multiply the first quotient by the first term of the divisor. Number 3. Subtract the result. And number 4. Repeat the process. Divide the polynomial with another polynomial. X squared plus 7x plus 10 divided by x plus 5. We have our given. The first step is to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. That is x squared divided by x. The answer is x. We'll write the first quotient in. That is x. Then we will multiply x times x. That is x squared. We'll write the answer here. X times 5. The answer is 5x. Then we will subtract. And subtracting, we will change the sign of the subtrahend. Positive will become negative. Then we can cancel x squared. Then 7x minus 5x is 2x. Then bring down 10. And this is our new dividend. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. That is 2x divided by x. The answer is 2. We'll write the answer here. We'll write here 2. 2 times x. That is 2x. And 2 times 5. The answer is 10. Then we will subtract. We change the sign of the subtrahend. Positive will become negative. Then 2x minus 2x is 0. 10 minus 10 is 0. So do we have a remainder? So, the remainder is 0. How do we know whether our answer is correct? We will multiply the quotient and the divisor. And if we multiply x plus 2 by x plus 5, the result is x squared plus 7x plus 10. The given is 3c squared minus 7ac minus 6a squared divided by 3c plus 2a. So we will divide. The first step is to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. 3c squared divided by 3c. What is the result? The result is c. We'll write c here. So then we will multiply. C times 3c is 3c squared, and c times 2a is 2ac. Then we will subtract. In subtracting, we change the sign of the subtrahend. So 3c squared minus 3c squared is 0. Negative 7ac plus negative 2ac is negative 9ac. Bring down negative 6a squared. Then, this will be our new dividend. We divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Negative 9ac divided by 3c equals negative 3a. So we'll write negative 3a here. Negative 3a times 3c is negative 9ac. Negative 3a times 2a is negative 6a squared. Then, we'll subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend. Negative will become positive. Negative will become positive. We can cancel. Is there a remainder? No, there is no remainder. The remainder is 0. How do we know whether our answer is correct? Multiply the quotient and the divisor. Multiply c minus 3a times the quantity of 3c plus 2a, and the result must be 3c squared minus 7ac minus 6a squared. We have a problem solving. What is the area of a rectangle whose side is 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5? So, the area of a rectangle is length times the width. So, we have 2x plus 5 times the quantity of 2x minus 5. So, we can use the process on how to multiply. So, we have 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 5 is 10x. Then we have negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. Negative 5 times positive 5 is negative 25. Then we can cancel positive 10x and negative 10x. So the final answer is 4x squared minus 25. So what is our answer? What is the area of a rectangle whose side is 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5? The answer is 4x squared minus 25 unit squared. Another problem. What is the area of a square whose side is 2x plus 5? What is the formula in finding the area of the square? The formula is s squared. So we need to multiply 2x plus 5 squared. So we write the given. So 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5. What is the answer? First we multiply 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 5 is 10x. So we have 4x squared plus 10x. Then 5 times 2x is still 10x. And 5 times 5 is 25. So we will add. The answer is 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Therefore, what is the area of a square whose side is 2x plus 5? The answer is 4x squared plus 20x plus 25 unit squared. Thank you for watching.